Yo, first order of the day. We got a Black Rock coffee. This is $7 going just under 5 miles. Thank you. Finally got the next order after waiting like 15 minutes. This is a McDonald's, $8 going 4 miles.
What's the number on it?
$13.85.
For Grubhub?
Yeah.
You got it?
Thank you.
Okay.
Next order up is a different McDonald's. This is $9 going about 5 miles.
Here you go. 2 bags.
Thank you. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is $8 going 2.5 miles. Well, that was almost a 15-minute wait for no reason, just because. Next up is a Subway. I think it said like $10 going 7 miles, something like that. I don't know. I accepted it on accident, so I couldn't really tell. Thank you. Next up, we've got a stack. This is 2 different restaurants, 2 different customers. We've got Muchas Gracias and Mr. Maple Donuts. $10 going about 6 miles. Thank you.
Yeah.
You too. Thank you. Yep, there you are.
Have a good one.
You too. Got the next order lined up right after this drop off. It is a Starbucks, $8 and change, going just under 6 miles.
This one kind of looks a little funny today. I love it.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Next up is Muchas Gracias. This one is $9 going 4 miles. Thank you. Got this right away. It's a McDonald's, $8 going 2 miles. Like, I was expecting to wait on that one regardless, because I got the order when I was 1 street away. So I figured they got it at the same time that I did, but 20 minutes, it doesn't take 20 minutes to make 1 order, especially when they had other orders coming out. Like, they just aren't working on it, so I'm over it. On to the next one. Next order up is a Starbucks. This one's $8 going 3.5 miles. Thank you. Got the next orders lined up right after this. We got a stacked Naeli's Place. This is $21 going just under 12 miles. Hello. No drinks, right?
No drinks.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. You too. All right, that one was high mileage, but a lot of the mileage was actually just highway miles, so made up a lot of time there. I think I'll just call it here, unless I get an order on the way home that keeps me outside. Current time is 9:38. Total, we are at 103. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.